Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable light mode on Facebook. So if you basically just want to turn dark mode off and go back to the default appearance of Facebook, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and select your profile icon on the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. On the left side, you want to scroll down underneath Preferences, and where it says Dark Mode, let's just left click on that. On the right side, Dark Mode, adjust the appearance of Facebook to reduce your glare and give your eyes a break. Click on the drop down here and just select Off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.